Hello guys. In this video, we gonna see that ARM7 embedded system interface with 7 segments and LCD display. Let us show the demo of the software we use for the objective of the 7-segment output. We can use 2 software for interfacing the 7 segments. Let us see the number 1. ClearMuVision is a software that dumps the program from a high-level language like C, C++, and soon on, or simply says human understandable language is called high-level language to a low-level machine language with hexadecimal value for the ARM7 embedded kit. And after that, we use FlashMagic for UART communications to send the hexa program to the embedded kit. You can see the port connection and USB UART connection to the desired 7-segment output. Now you can very carefully watch this demo implementation works of ClearMuVision and FlashMagic video for 7 segments. If you have doubts, Google it Caro. Haha, just kidding. Ping me in mail or comment box. Thank you.